Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Heron's formula. So today we are going to discuss what is a Heron's formula, and we'll see with the help of one example. So first of all, how many types of triangles are present? How many types of triangles do we know? Actually, there are four different types of triangle. One is scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, there are different sides. We have three different sides for scalene triangle. For isosceles triangle, we have two same sides in an isosceles triangle. For equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. And for right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. So these are the four different kinds of triangle that we know. Now the general formula to find the area of a triangle is half base into height. This formula can be used in right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, and even isosceles triangle, but not in scalene triangle. So, to find area for scalene triangle, one Greek mathematician found out a formula or invented a formula with which we can find the area for scalene triangle, and not only for scalene triangle but all the triangles. So this Greek mathematician is none other than Heron of Alexandria. Heron of Alexandria was a very famous Greek mathematician in his time. He not only invented Heron's formula, but he has invented many other important establishments under mathematics. So he is a very famous mathematician under of his own time. So the Heron's formula is like this. It is also called as Hero's formula. Heron's formula is also called as Hero's formula. The formula for Heron's formula is area of the triangle will be written as root under S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Suppose we have a triangle with three different sides ABC, and these three different sides is represented with the terms A, B and C. Then what is S? S is called the semi-perimeter, that is half of the perimeter of the triangle, and S is calculated by A plus B plus C by 2. And after finding S, we are going to utilize this formula to find the area for scalene triangle. And as I have said, this formula can be used for all triangles, not only scalene but all the triangles. So let us see one example today. So this is the first example. Find the area of the triangle whose two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm, and the perimeter is 32 cm. So in the given triangle, two sides are given 11 and 8, but we need three sides. But along with it in the question, the perimeter is given. So we can easily find out the third side. Let in this triangle AB, the perimeter is 32 centimeter. Let A be 8 centimeter and B be 11 centimeter. So the side of C will be subtraction from the perimeter of the sum of two sides. So 32 minus 8 plus 11, we will get 13 centimeter. So the three sides of the triangle are 8, 11 and 13. Now perimeter, we know the formula for S was A plus B plus C by 2. This is semi-perimeter. But perimeter is A plus B plus C. So this perimeter is given. If we divide it by 2, we will get the S. So 2S is equals to the perimeter, that is 32. So S is equals to 16. Now separately we can find out the S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, or we can do it while we are solving in the sum. So S minus A is 16 minus A is 8, S minus B is 16 minus 11 is 5, and S minus C is S minus C is 16 minus 13 is equals to 3. Therefore the area of the triangle will be, we are going to use the Heron's formula or Hero's formula. So root under S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So root under 16 into 8 into 5 into 3. This will be area of the triangle. Now since it is the area, the unit will be in squares, so it will be centimeter square. So when we find out this, multiply and then simplify the value, we will get 8 root 30 centimeter square. So this is how we find out area of a triangle when the three different sides of a triangle are present, that is of a scalene triangle. So thank you all of you. I hope today's first introduction, first slides of Heron's formula is small and easy for you to understand. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you.